everyone, welcome. This is Jenny with Sipping Streams Tea Company, and I just wanted to go over a great way for you to help fight this virus that is going around. First of all, you do need to make sure to keep your body and your mind clean and healthy. So if you get the proper rest, good nutrition, and stay hydrated, those are great preventative steps to take to help fight COVID-19. Because it's not when, if it's going to come, it's when it's going to come. Because most people who are carrying this don't know that they possibly were affected at all because they have no signs and symptoms. But for those people who do get ill from this virus, it is really, really important to prepare yourself before you get ill. Prevention is always key in recovery. Now, it is not guaranteed that everyone who has this virus will recover, but stay positive, stay healthy, have a good mindset, and stay calm. One of the best things you can do that you can easily do right now, because I know they're not sold out in the stores, is to stay hydrated. So everyone's out there freaking out about toilet paper, and yes, it's an important thing to have, but you know, how many cases of toilet paper will you actually need? My personal opinion, I would stock up on paper towels, because if I ran out of toilet paper, I'd be using paper towels, or maybe I should just use paper towels because they feel nicer in the first place. So, not everything does flush down the toilet. I used to live in a dry cabin. That means it had no running water for 6 years, and I always threw away my teepee in the garbage can. So, think about staying hydrated, staying calm, getting the proper amount of rest and sleep. For those of you who unfortunately are not able to go to school or go to work, you have a great opportunity to stay healthy. And one of the most important things is staying hydrated. So, like I mentioned before, I love staying hydrated with tea. And tea is a great way to stay hydrated because, first of all, it has no calories. It has no calories because you're not eating the leaves. So you're not getting any carbs from it, and you're drinking the infusion or the extraction of its nutrients out of its leaves in the liqueur, in the liquid that you drink. So you can easily stay hydrated without consuming any calories if you just have tea or herbal tisanes with water. Here I'm drinking yerba mate right now, so this is an excellent, excellent way to boost your immune system and to stay hydrated. Most of the time, people don't realize how much water they need to drink in their daily life in order for their regular bodily functions and their organs to be able to be optimal every day. If you think about it, your body is like a car, and the water that you drink is the oil in your car, the oil in the engine that keeps everything smooth and running. Your body is mostly made up of water. Tea is mostly made up of water. And the easiest thing you can do is to make sure that you stay hydrated. It's great for flushing out your system, cleansing your body, giving you good skin, giving you alertness, just because there is an exchange of when you are even the act of drinking, you're consuming oxygen. Now, make sure you are in a healthy environment and that you are getting plenty of fresh air, but most of the time, people don't realize how much water they need to drink. Again, for me, I don't really like the flavor of water. I like my water in my tea. So, for those of you who are tea drinkers or water drinkers, did you know how much water you need to drink a day? Every day, you should be drinking at least half your body weight in ounces of water, just to have the most optimal environment for your bodily functions to perform, for your organs to perform, for circulation to be possible. Because when you are dehydrated, it's kind of like running low on oil in your engine. it can cause inflammation. It can cause resistance. Things don't flow as well, not just in your intestinal, but your circulatory system too. So you are supposed to drink at least half your body weight in ounces a day. Now, not everybody can do that. That's a lot. For me, I'm about 100 pounds. This tea growler here holds 64 ounces. If I drink one of these a day, I drink more than the liquids I need to drink in a day. So for you who weigh much more than I do, so if I'm supposed to consume 50 ounces of water a day because I weigh 100 pounds, just imagine if you weigh 200 pounds. There is no possible way that you can drink 100 ounces of water in a day. These are things you'll have to take baby steps towards. Get a reusable water bottle, fill it up, and keep track of how many you drink. Perhaps you need to start with drinking 3 of them a day because you barely drink 1. Take baby steps, otherwise you can possibly shock your body and flush out some electrolytes that you actually need. Now, that is not to cause fear in you. Most likely, you're going to be so uncomfortable that you will not drink too much water, unless you have an extreme personality. So, most likely, you will not be depleting your body of nutrients by drinking too much water. And the more that we get stressed out, the more we start to breathe faster, and that causes perspiration of moisture from our body. So think about your stress level, your anxiety, what you're dealing with, the changes that's going on, and one of the easiest things you can control is your hydration level. So definitely stay hydrated and work on working up. Maybe it might take 2 weeks for you to drink the optimal amount of water for your body weight. So if you're drinking tea, it's great because you're getting other nutrients in with the liquid. And try to stay away from sugary beverages because those sugary beverages could cause inflammation and weight gain and stress to your body. So you should not be drinking 60 ounces of soda. You should not be drinking 60 ounces of juice. In fact, that can actually end up being a diuretic for you. So try to drink water, or tea is a great alternative. Stay hydrated, stay calm, stay healthy. Make sure you wash your hands and get plenty of rest. We are in this together, and I know you can do it. If you're interested in learning more about immune-boosting properties of tea, definitely sign up for my workshop that's happening in a few weeks, and that is only exclusive in our private Facebook group, the Sipping Streams Tea Tribe, where I will be specifically going over very, very specific nutrients and things that you can do to boost your body's immune system in this time of uncertainty or in this time of a lot of stress and anxiety in your life. And remember, stress and anxiety are going to tear down your body's immune system. So stay calm, stay hydrated, stay healthy, do what you can, don't freak out, don't watch a lot of the news if it causes great anxiety for you, but be around other positive people who are taking steps to make a more positive change in their body and their immune system. Thank you so much. I hope to see you again soon. I'll be going daily in our private Facebook group about different things you can do to combat this COVID-19. Thank you so much, everyone.